In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome step by step. This is a quick and useful tutorial if you want to clean up old logins, remove passwords you no longer need, or keep your browser a little more secure and organized. Whether you're on a shared computer, switching accounts, or just trying to manage your saved login details, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and safely. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. That will take you into Chrome's main settings page. On the left side, or sometimes in the settings search area depending on your browser layout, find Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores your saved login information, payment methods, and address details. Click on Autofill and Passwords, then select Google Password Manager. This will open the Password Manager where all of your saved passwords are stored in one place. Now that you're inside Google Password Manager, you can see a list of websites and accounts that have saved passwords. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the website or account you want to remove. Once you find it, click on it to open the saved details. Chrome may ask you to verify your identity before showing the password information, depending on your device and security settings. After the account details open, look for the Delete option. Click Delete to remove the saved password from Chrome. Confirm the deletion if Chrome asks you to approve it. And that's it. The saved password has now been removed. If you want to delete more saved passwords, just repeat the same steps for each website or account. This is a great way to keep your browser organized and make sure old or unwanted logins are no longer saved. You can also use this process if you're clearing out passwords before selling a device, switching accounts, or just doing a little digital housekeeping. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.